It's Black Friday. That means it's contest day.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Well, we've got a gift card to give away. $50 gift card to either Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight. If you win, you decide which one you want. And Krista's going to be in here in just a few minutes, but I wanted to show you something before she gets here. I did a little something. I'm getting ready to give away a free $50 gift card. It could either be for Lowe's, it could be for Home Depot, or it could be for Harbor Freight. You know the deal. You probably already entered for the contest. If you haven't, that's too late. But the way we're going to give it away is I'm going to put all the entries in a air cannon and shoot them at Krista. Now, the air cannon that I showed her was very small. It was just a little coffee can, and really doesn't have a whole lot of pressure. She thinks it does, but I came out here in the shed and I made this. Now it looks pretty cool and it looks pretty intimidating, but as you can see, it's the same air cannon in here and it doesn't have a whole lot of pressure. It barely throws the paper out. She's going to have to get pretty close. So we're going to have a little fun with this, and don't tell Krista. Don't tell her. This ought to be pretty good. Krista, are you ready to get shot with a cannon? Are you nervous?
A little.
Really? Oh, you know I wouldn't do anything to hurt you, don't you? But Krista,
What?
change the air cannon. What do you think of this?
It's huge.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt.
No, I wouldn't do anything to hurt you. Would I? No. Yeah, we're recording right now. So, Krista, we're gonna give away some money, sort of.
Yeah. Can I have some?
No,
Oh.
but you can have some paper.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you some paper.
Thanks.
All right, so we're gonna give away a $50 gift certificate to either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Harbor Freight, and the choice is up to them.
Okay.
Now, I have all the entries in a sealed envelope. I'm gonna go get that. It's right over here. I can't tell you how much I've looked forward to this. Have you been dreaming about this as well?
Oh yes.
Or is it a nightmare?
Nightmare.
Yeah, please. Trust me. Trust me. I'm old. Oh, look at that. You've got quite a few in there.
Nice.
Yeah, what do you think of that?
Ooh.
All right, now I was going to give you eye protection, but you have it. Don't you?
Yes.
Okay, now, here's the plan.
Okay.
I know when this is going to go off, you're going to flinch and you're going to put your hands up in front of your face.
Mm-hmm.
Grab whatever you can.
Okay.
Grab 2 pieces of paper. I want you to, without looking,
This card one.
oh, can broke. Without looking, just throw one to the ground and then you'll have a winner.
Alright.
Now, if you don't catch anything, I want you to close your eyes, reach down, and try to get a piece of paper. Okay?
Okay.
Well, that's the only fair way to do it.
You're right. You're right.
Are you ready? Gotta get real good and close, because I don't know what's gonna
I'm not
happen.
ready.
All right, on 3, okay?
Okay.
3, 2. It didn't work. All right, let's try this again. 3, 2. Grab something. See, you were worried about nothing, weren't you? And the other air cannon, which was just a coffee can, worked perfect. This one looks cool, the other one didn't, but that sucks. Well, we're going to make that more powerful, and I'm going to make it so we can fire peanuts, so we can feed the squirrels.
Alright.
You got a name?
Logan Mashburn.
Logan Mashburn. He didn't even. No, I'm just kidding. Logan, you won $50 and scared the hell out of Krista. Were you really scared?
Yes.
A little bit? Do you think I would really do something to hurt you?
I didn't think I was gonna catch one. Oh, I didn't.
Well, you didn't, but now they're all over the place. Yeah, who's that? Oh, that's somebody else. Okay, Logan. Here, we'll even show you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the one she got. So congratulations to Logan, and thank you, Chris. See all that worry for nothing. Now next time I'm going to tell her not to worry, and she won't worry, and next time it's going to be different.
Yeah.
So
You're gonna launch some peanuts at me?
ooh. Next time we could actually put the people's names on the peanuts and then launch
Don't
those
launch it at
in.
me.
Only we're going to use a spring-loaded one next time. We're gonna make something that actually fires things out, and I'll put you further away. I wouldn't hurt you, not much anyway. So okay, and that was very successful. All right, that's going to do it for now, and we'll see you next time. One more time. I think she peed a little. She didn't say that, but yeah, I think she did. That was fun. I could watch that over and over and over again. I'm going to put that on a loop. And anytime I'm feeling down, I'll just watch that. Now, we had another camera there, but yeah, it didn't work, so I couldn't get the front. But that was pretty good. So congratulations to Logan. Logan, I've already forgot your last name. I have to call this back up here and see if we can find you. Logan, you're on there somewhere. I'm looking for you. And Logan Mashburn. Yeah. So, Logan, you're going to get a $50 gift certificate to either Home Depot, Lowe's, or Harbor Freight. If you have all three of those in your area, well, then you've got a decision to make. If you only have one of those, well, then it's an easy one. But I will be getting a hold of you, and yeah, yeah, let's look at that again. Yeah, you know she's not going to do this again. I am going to make a different air cannon or a spring-loaded cannon to shoot out peanuts, because I've been wanting to do that for a while, so I could feed the squirrels from a distance. I don't want to hurt the squirrels. I just want to feed them, just lob some peanuts in there. So, yeah, I wouldn't be a bit surprised if we do that for the next time. But, you know, thinking about it, she's already done her part. Maybe we can get somebody else. Maybe we can get the OG in training, Zane, or maybe we could get Jake over here, or somebody else. I don't know. Maybe we could find somebody. But it was that was fun. Who knew I'd enjoy shooting a cannon at somebody, especially a helpless little person like Krista. And you notice she did not dress like a Smurf today, and that's okay. She has a lot going on, and that's all right. That would have made it. That probably would have made it worse. But it was, Krista, thank you so much for being such a good sport. You're so much fun to hang around, and I just really like having you around, and I like shooting air at you. So, you know, what can I say? But I think, oh man, yeah, I can't help it. The whole thing just makes me giggle. So that's going to do it for me and Krista. Thanks again, and we'll see you here next time on the Old Guy Network. For the Old Guy Network, you know me, I'm the OG, and I'm out.